Being a home decor and interior enthusiast, I had to visit the much talked about Matisia 2024, which took place at the Yashobhumi Dwarka, where the E3 group truly caught my eye. They were presenting a game-changing collection of interior and exterior solutions. Highlight of the display was the versatile MDF range, perfect for high-performance needs. They impressed me with their luxurious acrylic panels and multifunctional sports turf suitable for various applications. E3's new PU stone panels and vibrant clads offer waterproof, termite-free alternatives to traditional wall decor, adding a touch of elegance and practicality. What truly stood out was their modular kitchen designed with in-house components, ensuring seamless integration into any home. Don't miss the Sky Decor acrylic laminates and a wide selection of edge bands designed to perfectly complement any surface at your home. Championing the Made in India philosophy and endorsed by Saif Ali Khan himself, E3 Group is redefining innovation and quality. Visit their website e3groupindia.com to discover how E3 Group can transform your space with their stylish, durable and versatile solutions.